Today we're going to talk about the past continuous. So the past continuous is a grammar that we use to talk about actions that happen at a specific time in the past. So for example, over here, I got a policeman, and maybe he asks you, he sees you, you're driving way too fast. He says, "Do you know how fast you were going? Do you know how fast you were going when I pulled you over?" And then you'll say, actually, I don't know how fast I was going. Or if you want to get a ticket or if you want to go to jail, act like this guy. He says, "But I wasn't texting, sir. I was surfing the internet while I was driving." Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a ticket straight to jail right there. Do not text and drive. Do not use the internet and drive. It's a bad idea. Very bad idea. So just be careful. While he was driving, he was breaking the law. So he's going to go to jail. That's our was, were. Another example I have right here. If I use I am teaching and I was teaching, are they the same, different? Bit different. If I'm teaching, that's our present continuous. I am teaching. It's happening right now. If I change to past continuous, I was teaching, that's something that happened in the past at a specific time. I was teaching a lesson at 9:30 this morning. I was teaching a lesson this morning, okay? Not now. It happened at a specific time in the past. Okay, we can use it like that. I could also say, "What were you doing at 7 o'clock last night?" Again, I'm giving you a specific time in the past. When? 7 p.m. When? Last night. I know it's the past. 7 o'clock last night, I was watching TV. I was eating dinner. I was playing a game. We were playing mahjong, right? Actually, my wife and I, we were playing mahjong last night at about 9 p.m. 9 p.m. last night, we were playing mahjong. I'm terrible at mahjong. I lost. This is if you don't know, this is a Chinese game called mahjong. You can look it up online, but I'm terrible at mahjong, so I lost. I didn't win the game. I was losing when I was playing mahjong. So we can also use past continuous whenever we have a long action and a short action happening at the same time. So, for example, while I was shopping, I saw my friend. While I was shopping, I saw my friend, right? I was shopping, I saw my friend. And here's my timeline. 2 p.m., I started shopping. Then at 3 p.m., I saw my friend. And then at 5 p.m., I finished shopping and I decided to go home. Okay, when did I start shopping? Right? I started at, when did I see my friend? When did I finish? All right, started at 2, saw my friend at 3, finished at 5. So if I look at this on a timeline, it looks like this. How long was I shopping? I was shopping for 2, 3, 4, from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. I was shopping for 3 hours. 2, 3, 4, oh yeah, right? My math is very bad. 2 to 5, that's 3 hours, right? I was shopping for about 3 hours. I saw my friend at 3 p.m. I didn't stay with my friend. I just said hello. So I saw them. That's definitely my short action. And then shopping, 3 hours, 4 hours. That's my long action. The other thing we often do, guys, is I often use while with my longer action. I use while plus the be-ing. I was doing this. Okay, while using the ing. Same style as this, right? Often use while with ing. While I was teaching, I saw my colleague at the classroom door. While I was teaching the lesson, I heard a bird outside, right? That is our way of showing two things happening at the same time, long action, short action. Okay? We can also use the ing if we're giving background information in a story. In a story. So the famous one, I'm using my cute little son and my cute little bird. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, it was a beautiful day. That is called background information, or sometimes teachers will call them background events. Those things we use the ing as well. So my other example right here, background events, like I said. I'll give you a story. It's a beautiful spring day. I was walking through the park with my family. The birds were singing. The children were laughing. I was about to go buy my wife an ice cream when... Okay, what do you think happened? Right? I'm setting the story. I'm showing you the beautiful day. We're walking through the park. I hear the birds. I see children playing. I hear children laughing. I'm giving you all these nice details about the situation I'm in at the beginning of the story. All right? So that's another way. Now, what happens to the ice cream? What happened when I tried to buy my wife an ice cream? If you want to find out, you'll have to stick with us. I'll have another video next week where I might give you the answer to what happened to my wife's ice cream. But for now, that's it, guys. That's all there is to this past continuous. So as always, this is challenge time. If you can, go on Twitter. Try to message me on Twitter with your own example using this grammar. You can also, of course, comment below using your sentences. We'll usually check. If not, message us, be like, hey Mark, is this okay? I'll be sure to check your answer. And then my last thing, what were you doing while you were watching this video? I know some of you are on the bus, on the train, in a taxi. You can tell me, Mark, I was on the bus when I watched your video. I was cooking dinner when I watched your video. I was getting ready for bed when I watched your video. Give it a try. But that's all, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.